Hello, this is a quick walk around for a 2009 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 311 CDI. It's a mid-wheelbase, high roof. Sorry, we've got a lot of background noise from the construction going on next door. Now the cabin has two front seats. Generous cargo size in the back. This van has very low mileage, 142,000 kilometers. Now the advantage of having the double seats is you can walk through to the back. That's a high roof. I'm about 6'2", around 190 centimeters, and I can stand up tall in the back. This van's automatic. Now let's climb over this way. And I'll pop the hood. The engine in this one is a 2.1 litre turbo diesel, which is pretty standard for Mercedes vans. It has more than enough power. Now these doors, they have the ability to swing all the way around. I won't do the other one because the car's blocking the way, but you get the idea. Now the van's a mid-wheelbase, which is around 3.2 meters long in the cargo area. Cold aircon, but being a video, you'll have to take my word for that. Now it's a medium wheelbase, which means that the overall length is not too restricting for car parking. It doesn't have the overhang that the longer vans have. So generally, you can fit this van into regular car parking spaces. If you have any more questions, let us know. If you have any comments or anything to add, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.